In this video, we will talk about the linear magnification. Linear magnification is basically defined as the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. That is, say if A dash B dash is the height of the object and AB is the height of A dash B dash is the height of the image and AB is the height of the object, then the linear magnification, which we represent say by small m, equals to h dash upon h. Okay, now let's find the value of the magnification in terms of V and U. Now I'm using the same ray diagram which we have used for the derivation of the mirror formula. Now if you look at this ray diagram, we will take these two sets of similar triangles, which is ABP and A dash B dash P. Now say the triangle ABP is similar to triangle A dash B dash P. Now again I take the ratios of the two sides, that is A dash B dash upon AB. This I can write it as PB dash upon PB. Okay. Now in the next step, I'll replace the values of AB, A dash B dash, PB, PB dash with UV and H dash. Now again, when I replace it with the UV or H and H dash, I have to use sign convention. So for PB dash, it's quite simple since we are moving against the direction of the incident light. So PB dash will be minus V, PB will be minus U, again for the same reason. Now A dash B dash. Now since we are measuring A dash B dash in the downward direction, that is in the negative I direction, so I will take A dash B dash as minus H dash, and AB, since it is above the principal axis, that is we are measuring AB in the positive I direction, I'll take this as plus H. Okay, so this result is going to give me H dash upon H equals to minus V upon U, and this is nothing but the magnification. That is, now here what we have done is we have written the formula for the magnification in terms of V and U. Now what we can do further over here is that we can club this formula with the mirror formula. Like, what is the mirror formula? Mirror formula is 1 upon F equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U, or I can write 1 upon U equals to 1 upon F minus 1 upon V. So when I club these two formulas, that is this one minus V upon U with 1 upon F minus 1 upon V, I can write M equals to minus V instead of 1 upon U. This is 1 upon F minus 1 upon V. And when I multiply minus V inside the bracket, this is going to give me 1 minus V multiplied by minus 1 upon V, that is plus 1 minus V upon F. So here we have got two formulas for the magnification, that is M equals to minus V upon U as well as M equals to 1 minus V upon F. Similarly, you can also write the formula of magnification in terms of U and F. Now in that case, what you need to do is you simply need to replace the value of V over here using this mirror formula, and you have to write the value of V in terms of U and F.